Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is episode 6 of my Toronto series. I am starting off at the iconic Nathan Phillips Square. And right here near the Rogers Centre, with a quick look at some classic Toronto train vibes. And of course, the CN Tower. Today, I'm taking you on a beautiful bike ride from the Harbourfront all the way out to the western stretch of Lakeshore. Let's go explore the city on two wheels. Harbourfront is one of my favorite areas to ride, right by the water, always full of energy. Downtown is full of condos and high-rises, so it's really nice to see so many public parks around. Just a few minutes in, we are passing through Coronation Park, and here's the striking Indigenous sculpture. It's always powerful to see public art that acknowledges deeper history. Now we're in Trillium Park, and honestly, this view never gets old. If you're ever biking in the city, this is one of the most peaceful spots to just soak in the skyline and the lake. Right here we're passing by BMO Field, home to Toronto FC. And check out these cool buildings around here. The mix of old and new architecture in this area is really something. And now we're merging onto the Lakeshore Trail. Perfect weather for a bike ride. Totally by chance, we rolled into a rowing competition. How cool is that? You never know what to stumble across on a Toronto ride. Here we are riding past some really chill beaches. And check this out, a beautiful public swimming pool, free entry, right by the path. Such a great summer vibe. And just ahead, there is a cozy terrace tucked into the trees, right in front of the beach. It really makes this stretch feel like a hidden getaway. Crossing the Humber Bay Arc Bridge now. Hyde Park is that way. Probably one of the most photogenic spots in Toronto. The views from here are just incredible. And we are now taking a short break at Sheldon Lookout. Great spot to stop, reflect, and enjoy the skyline from far away. Alright, so we're biking back to Harbourfront now, wrapping up a pretty amazing bike ride. Nothing better than a bike ride followed by good views and good food. Thanks for coming along, and see you in the next one.